Instagram post not uploading. Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first you go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Instagram. Open then Instagram, scroll down and click on storage. Here you have to go to the last button, clear data, click OK, also click on clear cache and then go back, click on force stop and click OK. And what you should do right now, guys, go to permissions option and you have to go now to files and media, allow access to media only, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, our chats. See you now.